Hello everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back if you've been here before. I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. Thanks for joining me. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. To prime my eyes, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Concealer in 16 and set it with the ABA Setting Powder in Deep Peach. Next, I'm going to use the Beauty Bay's Berries Eyeshadow Palette. And I'm going to take that shade and put that in my crease. And then I'm going to take that pink shimmer shade and put that all over my lids as well as in the corner of my eyes. And then I'm going to take that darker shade and put that on the end parts of my eyes. Also, if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure that you do so. Please make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos, as well as comment and share, because I really help my channel and I really appreciate it. For lashes, I'm using the Ioni Cluster Wispy Full Doll Long Lashes and the Duo Lash Glue. Moving on to my face, I'm going to use the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Now I'm going to use the Everyday Humans Rose from Above Mineral Sunscreen. For primer, I'm using the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. To correct the dark spots in my face and neck, I'm using the e.l.f. Orange Color Corrector. For some more coverage, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut, and I'm just putting this the same places where I put the orange corrector at. Next, I'm using the ABA Setting Powder in Deep Peach again to set where I had that orange corrector and that concealer at. For foundation, I'm using the Juvia's Place Eye Magic Velvety Matte Foundation in Kapala 340. To highlight, I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Praline. While that's sitting, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Bronzer in Mocha Mami to contour my nose as well as bronze my face. Now I'm using the setting powder to set where I had that concealer at. For my all over face powder, I'm using the Sephora Micro Smooth Face Powder Foundation in 65 Toffee. For blush, I'm using the Glam Liquid Blush in Swipe Right. To highlight, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Highlighter in Too Much, and I love the outer packaging of this, like the outer part of this. I love how holographic it is, and of course the product works well. It's long lasting, it gives you a nice highlight, so if you're looking for a new high-end highlighter, I would definitely recommend this one. For lips, I'm using the Essence 8 Hour Liquid Lipstick in Pink Blush, and I'm using the NYX Lip Liner in Club Hopper. To set my face, I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. Hope you all enjoyed this Cranberry Snow Eyeshadow Look that I did. If you're not subscribed, please make sure that you do so. Please make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos, as well as comment and share, because that really help my channel and I really appreciate it. Everything I use will be listed in the description box, as well as all my social media handles. And if you have any suggestions for makeup looks, please let me know so that I can do them. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see all of you in the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.